Incremental routines. Thanks for doing these Supermemo videos. There's not a lot out there on how to use it, except for the Supermemo website. Yeah, that's the point I did, I think, this or the last video, the previous video. That 10 years ago, there was not much available. Now, because of Supermemo community, SM Wiki, which the channel is dead now, it's been like, in the last 2 years. The last video is from 1 year and something ago, and before that, the last 3 videos were released in a very long period of time as well. And basically, I'm the only channel covering Supermemo. Yes, Piotr Wozniak uploads 1 video, 2 videos a year, like that. So his channel is not dead, but yeah, I'm keeping it alive, bro. There's it's because for me it's pleasurable, basically. My intention is not, no, I have a goal to keep it alive. I won't let Supermemo die. Well, what I do, it's a joke. I don't let Internet Explorer to die. I still use it for importing Wikipedia articles to Supermemo. Back to the comment. There's no much content there. That has been updated since the late 90s. That has to be one of the most user-unfriendly pieces of software, yes, I have ever used, but with your help, I'm slowly getting a handle of it. It's very ironic. I'm recording this in June 22nd, 2024, and this tonight, 9 hours ago. So in my time zone was today, but I think for that person was last night. Luis Felipe Rodriguez Lima said, I have just researching Supermemo. Let me actually see the entire message. No, I just researching about Supermemo and some things that in the past messages in the Anki Discord, and I found your channel on both. I found it very cool. I will research on some things that you have made on your channel or website, which will make me study better for my exam. I just wanted That's what I wanted to share. I wanted you to know that your content is actually making a difference to someone. Wow, nice. That's what I want, to be honest with you. When I go to the at least the phone app of YouTube, the YouTube Studio, I don't care about the views, the likes. Yeah, the likes is okay, someone, or the dislikes, that I also get dislikes. What I care about the comments, but discussion. That not long ago about this, the light mode and dark mode, and someone said, yeah, the clue. Said, hey, I usually use the invert colors in Windows, like accessibility feature. So yes, this affects the images as well, inverts the color, but it's like super quick fix in a few seconds. Hey, that's what I want. Oh, here is, I mean what I want, what I like. Hey, the stats here, yeah, all of this, right? That's what I enjoy the most, this exchange. So knowing that my efforts are actually helping someone is cool to know. Because yeah, I can know, okay, this video had 50 views, nothing crazy, just 50. Let me actually go to the stats. Oh, look at that. Loading flat folders related to what Terrence did. So I go to the settings, analytics, sorry. It's okay, I had 44 views, nothing. But if I go to the stats, look at this. Most of the people haven't watched the entire video, like 14%, 12, 10. And if I go really here, only 2% watch the entire video. 2% of 40. That means only one single person watched the entire video. In other words, I did the full video, and I did the subtitles manually. I adapted it. That's the automatic, and that's the manual. I do review manually. That means that what I have done by the end of the video has only been seen by one single person worldwide. In the entire world, only one person has seen that. But hey, I helped someone. And it happens in long videos, an hour and something videos, 15-minute videos, that some fragments remain unseen. I have 174 views. Now the views I get are from searches and are like very low quality, in the sense that they move on within seconds. That, hey, that's not what I was looking for. So most of the watch time is already covered. Oh, like, look at this. 3%, okay, not in this case. But I have other videos that it's 0%. That means that absolutely no one watched the entire video. And now why do I keep doing those kind of videos? Like this. Repetitions graph. Look at this one. Something I discovered that you can, when you import articles from Wikipedia, it's a redirection. So the URL is different, but the content is the same. And Supermemo will not see this. So you have multiple copies. A duplicate, in fact, a hidden duplicate. You say that can be useful. But if you take a look, only 14 people watch that. Why I keep spending time on this? First, it's pleasurable for me, and I know even if I get no I think I got no comments, right? Yeah. Yeah, no comments and no like. In this case, also I don't get any like either. Or this. Yeah, no likes. Just 14. I keep doing it because even if I have no explicit feedback, I have implicit feedback that, hey, someone is watching this. I'm helping someone. And I know that eventually I will stop covering Supermemo. So this will be left evergreen material. And any person will benefit from this, even if it's 10 years later, as I'm doing now with this video, 10 years later. Most of my videos, I know, are evergreen. Not all of them, because Supermemo has, now with the new import of Internet Explorer, stuff like this, but 99% of the Supermemo features are the same and not going to be changed. So that's all. So nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.